Sometimes, the most beautiful love stories don't arrive loudly, they arrive softly, and then suddenly become breaking news. On 13th December, fans around the world woke up to a headline no one expected, yet everyone instantly adored. Girls' Generation's Tiffany Young and actor Byun Yo-ha officially confirmed that they are dating, seriously, sincerely, with marriage in mind. For fans of K-pop and K-dramas, this wasn't just news. It was a moment. Their agency, Team Hope, confirmed the relationship while clarifying that although marriage is being considered, no fixed wedding date has been set yet. Still, the words, "with marriage in mind," were enough to make fans emotional. Their story began on the set of Disney Plus' Uncle Sunsik. Byun Yo-ha played the elite young politician Kim San, while Tiffany Young portrayed Rachel Jung, his love interest. What started as on-screen chemistry slowly turned into a real connection. Working long hours together, sharing scenes, conversations, and trust, love often grows quietly in such moments. Later, Byun Yo-ha even mentioned in interviews how Tiffany helped him with English during filming, calling her his English teacher, a small detail that now feels incredibly meaningful. But here's the part that makes fans smile the most: many believe they already knew. Around Byun Yo-ha's birthday, he uploaded a series of Instagram photos. One photo caught everyone's attention. In the mirror behind him, there was a reflection. A familiar silhouette. Fans suspected it was Tiffany. Soon after, the photo was deleted. And that deletion? It convinced fans even more. Then came more subtle clues. Matching baseball caps worn at different times. Byun Yo-ha reportedly being spotted driving Tiffany's Porsche. Similar locations. Quiet hints, never loud, never obvious, but enough for eagle-eyed fans to connect the dots. This wasn't about invading privacy. It was about fans recognizing love when they see it. And on 13th December 2025, it turned out they were right all along. Actor Byun Yo-ha's agency, Team Hope, released a statement confirming that Byun Yo-ha and Tiffany Young are in a serious relationship with marriage in mind. They clarified that while no specific schedule has been finalized, both actors wish to inform their fans first once any future plans are decided. The agency also asked fans to send their blessings, praying that grace and love accompany them on their journey ahead. And shortly after, both Tiffany Young and Byun Yo-ha took one more step. A deeply personal one. Through their Instagram posts, they each shared handwritten letters addressed directly to their fans. For me, this news is deeply personal. Girls' Generation wasn't just a group, they were my childhood. Along with Super Junior, they were my first introduction to K-pop. They are the reason I discovered this world. Every song, every era, every memory still lives in my heart. So seeing Tiffany, someone I grew up watching, find real happiness feels incredibly emotional. And then there's Byun Yo-ha. I first watched Mr. Sunshine for Lee Byung-ho. But I fell in love with the drama because of Yoo Yeon-seok and Byun Yo-ha. His acting, his calm charm, his quiet intensity, it stayed with me. After that, I followed every drama and movie he did. He carries such a gentle yet powerful presence. Tiffany and Yo-ha together just make sense. Grace meets calm. Warmth meets depth. To people who don't need to be loud to shine, they look comfortable. They look peaceful. They look like home. From the bottom of my heart, I wish them nothing but love, grace, and happiness. May their journey together be gentle. May their future be strong. and may their love always feel like a safe place. Please like this video, share it with fellow fans, and subscribe for more heartfelt updates. Thank you for watching, and congratulations to Tiffany Young and Byun Yoha.